In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma variants. By the end, you'll understand how to turn a simple shape into a flexible component set with variants you can swap in your designs. Start by heading to figma.com and opening a design file. You can use an existing file or create a new one. On your canvas, select a shape you want to work with. If you don't have one yet, draw a rectangle or any basic shape so we have something to convert into a component. With the shape selected, look to the right-hand panel and add a fill color. This helps you see changes clearly as we go. You can choose any color for now. The goal is simply to make your base element defined and easy to recognize. Adjust the shape's ratio so it fits the size you want for your component. You can drag the corners to resize. If you want to keep the proportions consistent, hold Shift while dragging. Dial in the exact width and height you'll likely use in your designs so your variants stay consistent. Now right-click the selected shape to open the context menu. Choose Create Component. This converts your shape into a reusable component. It's a good idea to give it a clear name in the layer list so you can find it easily later. With the component selected, look to the top right of the interface where the component controls appear in the right-hand panel. You'll see options related to components and variants. Click Add Variant. Figma will create a component set and add a second variant next to the original, giving you a side-by-side view. Select a variant and name it in the properties area. Use a clear, meaningful label and press enter to confirm. Consistent names like default, hover, pressed, or small, medium, large make it effortless to switch between variants later. If you need more versions, click the plus icon to add another variant to the set. Each time you add one, you'll see it appear in the component set grid. Customize each variant so it serves a specific purpose. You can change size, corner radius, stroke, or any other visual attributes to reflect the differences between variants. And of course, you can add color to each variant individually. This might mean a lighter shade for a hover state, a darker shade for pressed, or a different palette for size or emphasis changes. Keep your choices intentional so designers can immediately understand what each variant represents. That's it. You've created a component, added variants, named them clearly, and customized their look so they're ready to use across your designs.